Hard water running through your home increases utility costs, shortens the lifespan of your appliances, and creates scale buildup on your fixtures. With an ion exchange water softener, you can do better. That's why our experts researched and reviewed the 4 top-rated ion exchange water softener systems to find the best value for your specific use and to get that soft water flowing. As always, we'll include our exclusive discounts and additional info on these products in the description box below. Let's dive in. Starting with the best overall option is the SpringWell SS salt-based water softener system. Considered the best ion exchange water softener on the market today, the SpringWell SS salt-based water softener system is built to last for the long term using only certified components, and it's made in the USA. For starters, you get a durable polypropylene tank that contains the resin, which comes with a neoprene sleeve to prevent freezing or sweating, so you can guarantee optimum performance all year round. You also get a high-capacity brine tank that won't require frequent salt refills like most of the competitors. The resin tank comes with a batch of preloaded softening resin beads that help to completely eliminate water hardness, and they last up to 10 years before replacing the resin media, and that's multiples longer than most softener alternatives. The SpringWell softener system also tops the competition with a flow rate between 11 to 13 gallons per minute, and that maintains the water pressure around your house, unlike typical water softeners with a flow rate of only between 7 and 10 gallons per minute. For additional convenience, the included smart Bluetooth control head sets the standard when it comes to ion exchange technology, and it's well known for its quality and efficiency. This means the system only regenerates as needed, so it will save you a lot of water and money on your utility bills. You can even download the SpringWell app to monitor backwash cycles and water use right from your phone. Setup is made easy with the installation kit that includes everything you need to get started straight out of the box. Here are the pros. Lifetime warranty on tanks and valves. Completely removes water hardness causing minerals. One of the most efficient water softeners on the market today. Guaranteed no drop in water pressure. And it's built for easy DIY installation. Here's the con: it may require professional installation help if you're not DIY inclined. Next, at number 2 is our runner-up, the SoftPro Elite Water Softener. The SoftPro Elite Water Softener system is designed for efficiency, but has also been tested to NSF standards to guarantee its effectiveness and durability. Being a true high-efficiency rated system, it's one of the few softeners that is certified by IAPMO Group. High efficiency is very important as it will save you up to 75% on salt and 64% on water waste compared to other non-efficient water softeners. In fact, this system pays for itself within 2.5 years. That's impressive. The SoftPro comes with all advanced features homeowners love, like the large LCD screen, vacation mode, and antibacterial growth technology, so you never have to worry about stagnant water issues. SoftPro Elite's next generation upflow technology is designed with new 1-inch plumbing ports to handle higher flow rates, so you can run multiple appliances and shower simultaneously without having to worry about drops in water pressure. Another reason we like this system is because it comes with 10% premium resin. These days, water utilities are using aggressive chlorine agents to sanitize the water. With high-grade resin, you can rest assured your SoftPro will not only be highly effective at softening the water, but also last for the long run. When you purchase this system, all the parts that you need to install the water softener to standard water lines are included, so you can easily set it up without the help of professionals. Here are the pros: a lifetime warranty and a 6-month money-back guarantee. Certified high-efficiency water softener system. Includes neoprene tank cover. 1-inch ports for high water pressure. It's easy to install and maintain. Again, a potential con: it may require professional installation if you're not DIY inclined. At number 3 is our choice for best value, the Fleck 5600 SXT water softener system. When it comes to value, this water softener truly has a lot to offer. In fact, the Fleck 5600 valve is the most popular water softener control valve in the world, with its knurled valve body that offers accurate high water efficiency and guarantees low power consumption. This highly effective digitally metered water softener system uses a paddle wheel meter, and that means you don't need to remove and clean the turbine wheel all the time to keep it from sticking and binding, making the Fleck one of the easiest water softeners to maintain on the market. Additionally, it comes with a 10% premium resin preload, whereas many competitors use 8% resin media, so the Fleck will last 3 to 4 times longer than competitors and maintain optimal performance against highly chlorinated and hard water conditions. The entire system is also designed for easy installation and operation. The Fleck comes with quick connect hoses for easy installation on PVC, PEX, or copper pipe. For added peace of mind, it's backed with a 10-year warranty on tanks and a 5-year warranty on valves. Here are the pros. Again, that impressive warranty, 10-year warranty on tanks, 5-year warranty on control valves. It's a very popular softener at a very reasonable price point. Paddle wheel meter for easy maintenance. Programmable computer control and built-in capacitor. And the con, it's not a high-efficiency model like some of the alternatives, SoftPro and SpringWell. At number 4 is the best budget option, the Aquasure Harmony Series Water Softener. A budget-friendly option with an impressive feature list, this whole house system can offer you soft, spot-free water that also reduces iron stains. Designed to treat water for a household of 4 to 6 bathrooms, the Aquasure Harmony Series Water Softener is capable of treating up to 64,000 grains of hardness and 10 parts per million of iron. That makes it a great investment for its price point. You also get a built-in advanced digital control console where you can control backwashing only when you need, so you save hundreds of gallons of water and reduced salt consumption. The Aquasure Harmony features a water-softening resin that eliminates iron, scale, calcium, and magnesium to provide the entire house with soft water and eliminate water spot buildup on your things and reduce skin irritation. Its fine mesh resin media ensures that you get the most efficient water softening that you can find without breaking the bank. The Aquasure Harmony Series water softener also treats water for your entire house with 1-inch ports while making sure that you maintain consistent water pressure, so it's definitely a smart investment that will last for many years to come. Here are the pros. Treats water for a household of up to 7. Treats up to 64,000 grains of hardness and 10 parts per million of iron. Digital control console allows precise backwashing. It's preloaded with fine mesh resin media. And the cons, it lacks some advanced technology features that more premium options do provide. It does not include a neoprene sleeve for the resin tank. Don't forget to check the description box below for more water filtration and water softening information and special discount prices. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that bell so you don't miss a single video on your favorite products. Thanks for watching. See you next time.